This year on 29th of September, we are celebrating World Heart Day. World Heart Federation celebrates this World Heart Day throughout the world on the last Saturday of every September. Every year it gives a theme. That is because the heart problems are increasing very fast all over the world. And there is no race difference, there is no sex difference, there is no age difference. People all over the world are having a lot of heart problems. However, when you come to India, the heart problems in India are growing very fast. That is because of high incidence of diabetes, hypertension and mental stress. Today we don't call heart disease and diabetes as diseases anymore. See, these problems are called lifestyle disorders because many of these things happen because of alteration in the lifestyle. Today in a fast-paced world, mental stress has gone up tremendously and this resulted in problems like obesity, diabetes, hypertension and heart attacks. They have become very common. The World Heart Federation says that by 2015, if there are 100 heart patients in the world, 60 will be in India. So all the more we have to take a lot of precautions. The theme for World Heart Day this year is focus on the women and children. Lots of times people think that heart problems, heart attacks especially are common in men. Women rarely get affected and children don't have to worry. You have to remember the blocks in the blood vessels to the heart start very early as the age of 3 to 4 years. Unless proper precautions are taken, if there is a diabetes, high blood pressure, smoking or stress, these blocks can happen very fast as early as 30 to 35 years of age. These days we operate a lot of people between 40 and 50 years for heart attacks with damaged hearts. So even in children, we have to start taking precautions. These days they do not have any time to play. Always they start education in the morning 6 o'clock, continue till about 8, 8:30, 9 o'clock. We need to create time for children to enjoy their childhood, play well, that gives a lot of physical activity which is good for the heart, for the blood pressure, for everything. So they need to continue doing some good physical exercise and they need to watch their food they are eating. Children, they keep eating a lot of junk food. Everyone likes, even adults like, all the more children. So we have to keep an eye on what they are eating, make sure that they get healthy food. Vegetarian food is better, reduce non-vegetarian food and cut down oil intake. And with these precautions, I think the children should become healthy citizens in future. Otherwise, many of these people are likely to end up in heart problems if we don't start the precautions early. Similarly, women always think of their husbands and their children and their brothers, sisters, like that. They don't take care of themselves as much as naturally the men. But you have to remember the heart problems in women are becoming very common. And after menopausal age, men and women, they get equally affected with heart attacks. All the more after surgery or interventions like angioplasty, women don't do as well as men. So all the more they should start taking care of themselves as early as possible in life. Should continue doing some exercise. You go for morning walks, you see most of the people are men. About 10 to 15% are women. But in a population where the sex ratio is almost 1:1, more women need to go for walking. They need to watch their weight. They need to watch what they are eating. And they need to go for checkups regularly from the age of 35 years to see if they have any diabetes or hypertension, which was undetected early. With all these precautions, unless a lady remains healthy in the society can never progress. And on this World Heart Day, I wish you all a happy, healthy hearts.